Applications of determinants and matrices. Consistent system. A system of equations is said to be consistent if its solution exists. Inconsistent system. A system of equations is said to be inconsistent if its solution does not exist. Criterion of consistency. For a given system, AX is equal to B, X equals inverse of A into B of linear equations, where A is a square matrix, we have the following criterion for the consistency or inconsistency. If determinant of A is not equal to 0, the system is consistent and has a unique solution. If determinant of A is equal to 0 and adjoint of A into B is 0, the system is consistent and has infinitely many solutions. If determinant of A is equal to 0 and adjoint of A into B not equal to 0, the system is inconsistent and has no solution.
For more such videos, download the iPrep app now.